Hey guys, excuse me, Animus Travels here with, not sure this is breaking or late breaking news, but a 3.2 to what looks like now a 4.65 or 6.3 earthquake has struck the coastal line northeast of Petrolia, California. I hope I said that right. Because it was kind of hard to pronounce myself. Hopefully, excuse me, the earthquake didn't cause too much problems, but since it was on the coastal area, no tsunamis or tidal waves occurred when it did hit, causing even more damage. So I hope everyone in that area is doing okay and no one has been seriously damaged or hurt. So I just hope everyone there is doing okay now. Well, that should do it for now, guys. Until next time.